You're live.
Hi, hello
Hi
everybody.
Neeti, welcome to IndianWikimedia.com.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How are you?
I am good. I am okay. Yeah.
थोड़ा नींद रही है बस.
बहुत कल तक थोड़ी बेटर थी, आज वापस सेम पोजीशन में पहुंच गई मैं.
Okay, so what is keeping Neeti busy these days? कहाँ है नीति आजकल?
I am very busy because मैं नई मम्मी बनी हूँ. My mom hates it when I say that, but yeah, मैं नई मम्मी बनी हूँ, तो इसलिए I'm taking care of my son, who is very naughty, and I think I'm only in the kitchen always cooking खाना.
Okay, so कौन है ये?
Adore Taylor, I call him. Yeah, little cute सा Shih Tzu है, so I just bought him recently.
Okay.
Yeah, तो उसका ध्यान कुछ ज्यादा ही रखना पड़ता है.
Okay, so आपके बहुत सारे fans आ गए तो हम उनको नाराज नहीं करेंगे. First we'll take their questions.
Okay.
So Aman Bhatnagar, your fan is asking that what kind of acting roles do you prefer?
I like to do different kind of roles, like not the same type. But मुझे एक बबली रोल भी करना है, because मैं कभी ऐसे एकदम like जब भी मैं वाली करीना, I would love to do a role like that. Then बेहद वाली Jennifer, the psycho thing, I would love, crazy obsessed lover. I think I can do that well.
Okay, yes. So Siddharth Taylor, is he related to you?
No.
Okay, so he is asking that how it feels when your friend didn't tag you in meme, which is special for you. Which specially is for you.
Oh, I get very offended. I'm like, how can you not tag me? अभी भी ऐसे ही कुछ हुआ था, because it said कि if you're 25 years old and you still look young, and मेरे friends हमेशा मुझे यही कहते हैं कि तू शादी भी कर लेगी तो same नहीं लगेगी. तो उसमें I was like, really, like, why didn't you tag me? What the hell? How come you didn't tag me? Yeah.
Okay, so Varsha wants to know, like, when you are upset, low or disappointed, what do you do?
I listen to songs to make my mood more upset and to cry. But yeah, to uplift it, I think I watch series or फिर वो dinchai वाले गाने I listen to. हाँ.
Okay.
So yeah, I actually shop. Very bad habit. I shop.
That is every girl's favorite habit, I guess.
Online shopping.
Okay, so if Varsha wants to know, like, what's the most valuable thing that you have learned in your career?
That always stay grounded. My dad has always taught me that कि जितना मर्जी hype मिले आपको या fame मिले, but always just be so grounded. Yeah.
Okay, so Amir Faisal wants to know, will you take any role like a gunde wali लड़की in any serial?
नहीं भाई, गुंडे वाला नहीं होगा हमसे. हाँ, sorry.
Okay, so you like the sketch which you got on your birthday?
Yeah, I did. Yes. I have lots of sketches, so but you all have to be a little specific.
Siddharth Taylor, he's asking.
अच्छा, yeah, Siddharth Taylor. हाँ, मेरे को एक सिर्फ ऐसा I know.
Okay, so one fan उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड का बर्थडे है, so वो चाहते हैं कि आप विश कर लो.
हाय, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम क्या है?
नाम नहीं लिखा है.
वो नहीं लिखा है. Okay, so happy birthday. आपकी बॉयफ्रेंड ने आपको बोला है कि you want my wish, but he's not giving me your name. I don't know why, but happy birthday.
Okay, one fan of yours, his name is not written. So he's saying that please visit Philippines, Miss Neeti. I will be your travel guide.
Book कर लो भाई, कहीं भी आ जाऊंगी मैं. Just book me and I will travel the world.
Okay, Arohi Rajput wants to know, like, when you will come in films.
I don't want to do movies. I'm very happy in my space.
Okay.
छोटे छोटे सपने, ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं देखती मैं.
Okay, so Shubhangi wants to know, like, one thing if you want to change back in your life, what will it be?
My school life, my school days. I would like to change.
Okay, Amir wants to know, like, things that attract you most towards people.
Their smile. I think that attracts me. Like, हाँ, मतलब दिख रहा है कि इंसान खुश है. I don't like sad people.
Okay.
हाँ.
Ruby Gupta is saying, how's your knee?
I've injured it again, Ruby. Just happened yesterday, after again a live session. इतना खुश होके बोला हाँ कल जुम्बा का वीडियो करूँगी, हो गया कांड मेरा पैर. I banged my knee only somewhere. It's swollen more. I can't tell you.
Okay, so Ria is saying that it's her birthday today. If you
Happy
can
birthday,
wish.
Ria. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay, so Yukti wants to know, is girl power important to you?
Of course, girl power is important. To every girl, I think girl power is important.
Okay, any show are you doing currently, or when do you plan to come back on screen?
After
Mayur wants to know.
After New Year's, yeah. Let the new year begin with a new show or whatever. Yeah.
Okay, your fan page is asking that what do you like to wear, more traditional or western?
जैसे कि आप देख ही सकते हो आजकल. No, but I like wearing Indian. I love wearing Indian. Yes.
Okay, so Devjani wants to know what is the funniest thing that has happened to you recently.
That it is very funny for me that my phone got robbed and then I was dancing after that.
Why?
Like सोचो और मैं इतना रोई कि किसी ने मेरा फोन चोरी कर लिया. उस cut to after half an hour I am dancing and I am laughing at myself. Oh, how can I be like this? I'm very stupid at times. Yeah.
Okay, one fan of yours, he's asking that what type of roles is in your mind for your comeback?
Something different and crazy, or maybe just something you guys like. I don't know.
Okay, Yashi wants to know any lesson from the people in the industry you learned.
Yeah, there is. I've learned a lot from the industry, and I keep learning from the people in the industry. That कोई अपना नहीं होता. No, it's just that you're here, so do your hard work, and that's about it. Just focus, because हर कोई काम करने आता है.
True, very true. So Riya Khurana is requesting you that can you please say one dialogue of Nandini Murthy?
Ayyappa. Oh, yeah. Got it.
Okay, a lot of fans have requested that you please come back on television because we are really missing you.
I will surely come back on TV because I miss shooting too.
Okay, your fan page is asking what is the first thing you notice in a person?
I said their smile.
Okay.
Yeah. For me, looks never matters.
Okay, so one fan is asking that where are you from exactly? Like which part of India?
Gurgaon, Haryana. I was born and brought up there, and then I'm here in Mumbai. Okay. So
Siddharth wants to know that.
ये सिद्धार्थ बहुत questions पूछ रहा है. Just by the way.
ये दूसरा सिद्धार्थ है.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Taylor. Sorry.
Okay. So he's asking that what do you do in your free time?
I only watch Netflix. और एक ही दिन में पूरा सीरीज खत्म कर देती हूँ.
Okay, so Aishwarya wants to know who are closest to you from the KYY cast. Okay, your favorite song Mayur wants to know.
Favorite song? Illegal Weapon. You guys have to hear the song. I'm going like crazy over it.
Okay, so your fan pages are only asking that do you stalk your fan pages?
I do. I love stalking.
Okay, Sindhu Sri is asking that do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes, I do believe in love at first sight. कभी हुआ नहीं है लेकिन हाँ कोई मिल गया तो.
Akshit wants to know who is your inspiration from the industry.
Priyanka Chopra.
Okay, Samaira wants to know your recent happy moment.
Recent happy moment? Adore, when I got Adore, I think happiest. उसके बाद birthday भी था. Sorry, birthday. Birthday was the happiest time of my life.
Okay, Anusha wants to know, are you watching Big Boss?
Of course, I'm watching Big Boss. I'm a big fan of Big Boss.
Who's your favorite?
Vikas Gupta.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, have you ever had a friend who has used a code word to hide your secret?
Yeah.
Siddhi Mathur is asking.
Yes. And that friend is Rini Malik. Yeah, we have very weird codes.
Okay, Varsha wants to know if you turned into a writer for a show, what genre would it be and who would play the lead?
Wow, this is a very nice question. Okay. First of all, I think mine will be... I would like to make 2 stories. First is about, maybe love. The second will be about school. Like the school days and how you get bullied and everything. Because I have faced that. So I would like to do that. And who would play the role would be... Shit, as me? That's a tough one. I would like Siddhi Karwa to play my role. I think she will do justice to it. Yeah.
Okay. So Shikha wants to know your biggest challenge as an actress.
गुलाम was the biggest challenge. जितना मैंने किया है उस शो में मेरी ऐसी जान वान सब निकल जाती थी. उस टाइम पता नहीं नी इंजरी क्यों नहीं हो रही है. डांस करके नी इंजरी हो रही है मेरी.
Okay, so Arohi wants to know how do you manage to remain so positive in life?
You know, a lot of people keep asking me this. How come you're so positive? How are you so positive? It's so nice, you know. But that's how my parents have brought me up. Like, I also have my days where I'm low and I'm like, dude, what is happening in my life? And I'm so upset. Now my mom always says, you know, just pray and be positive and think of all the good things. अगर कुछ बुरा भी हो गया उसमें भी कुछ अच्छा ढूंढो. So that's how I have learned and that's how I apply and I keep doing this to everybody. I will do यार, dude, it's okay. और कुछ हो जाएगा और अब देखना क्या होगा. I'm very good with this. Anybody needs positive things, just contact me.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is good thing in life
Yeah.
actually. So Hansa wants to know whom do you idealize in your life?
My mama. Mama's girl. And my father watches all the interviews.
Okay. A fan David is saying you look like my tuition teacher who twist my ears for not studying. Do you twist the ears, ma'am?
No, I don't. I'm so sorry, but I don't do all these things. I might just padak.
Good one.
Full direct.
Okay, a lot of.
Highs.
They want to know like when are you coming back? वो तो सबसे ज़्यादा questions हैं.
वो तो हो गया ना अभी.
So
Next.
one fan Yasni,
हाँ.
she's asking that KKY, KYY or Gulam, which one is your favorite?
KYY.
So they are requesting for your photo shoot.
हाँ ठीक है.
New pictures.
Okay, done. Your wish is my command.
Amazing. So Govind wants to know which is your best hangout place.
फिलहाल तो आजकल मैं एक ही जगह में होती हूँ. मेरा second house हो गया वो Barrel. I am there like literally like every time. अभी तो thank God to my knee injury, it's giving me little time out. Yeah.
Okay. So Juhi wants to know your favorite childhood memory.
My favorite childhood memory will be with my nanny. You would say that. I remember she used to tell me a lot of. So मैंने कभी महाभारत और रामायण की कहानियाँ नहीं सुनी है. मैंने हमेशा the Red Riding Hood, the Sleeping Beauty. I've heard all these things. So she used to tell me every evening, like in the night. She used to tickle me because not tickle. I don't get tickled, but ऐसे से वो प्यारी करते वैसे करती थी. She used to make me sleep, and then Subodh we used to make bubbles and do furfu, you know, make those round things, soapy
very
things.
nice.
I think that was the best phase of my life. Yeah.
Okay.
किसी को ये सब पता ही नहीं है.
So Tanya wants to know that she's requesting that will you please say the dialogue of Shivani, मैं रो नहीं रही हूँ.
मैं रो नहीं रही हूँ. मेरे पास आंसू आ रहे हैं. ये मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ सीरियल में भी. कल भी मेरे को कुछ हो रहा था तो ऐसा आंसू आ गए. She said, why you cry, one of my friend. So मैं रो नहीं रही हूँ, बस आंसू आ रहे हैं.
Okay, so Siddhi is asking that do you know about the going trend to bring back KYY? You are aware about the trend?
You know what, guys? I need to tell you all this also. My Twitter, I forgot my password because my phone got robbed and I don't remember it. And जो मैंने ID में बनाया था उसका password मुझे याद नहीं है. So Twitter में actually I'm not too aware of too many things. I don't have my account. Sorry, I'll get it back soon.
Okay. Asya wants to know what's your powerful emotion?
Powerful emotion.
Yes.
What's my powerful emotion?
Huh.
That's my, I think, very powerful.
Oh.
फिदा कर देते लोगों को.
Hiza wants to know which is your favorite film these days.
These days मैंने वो मूवी देखी ही नहीं है अभी तक. पर जाने ना is my favorite. Oh wait, Christmas Prince. I think you guys should see that movie. Very cute. Netflix है.
Okay, so Muskan wants to know, when you were in school, which was your favorite subject?
English, very very sorted in life. English was my favorite. In civics. हाँ, ये तो.
Okay, so questions तो आते रहेंगे. We'll just play a small game with Neeti.
Okay.
So these are the
Acting
chits.
मत करना.
नहीं. These are the chits. You can take this bowl. So you have to pick one by one, and you have to guess the movies. Guess the songs.
So I have to guess the song.
Songs. So you can show to your fans also. The chits are very small, but then.
उत्तरी ऐसा.
हाँ ऐसा.
Okay. So guys, please help me out. मेरे को तो दिखाई नहीं दिया क्या जवाब दे रहे हैं. दिल में बजी घंटी. हाँ? Oh ये आगे का क्या है? तुझे यार.
No.
नहीं, दिल में बजी घंटी. टंग टंग.
हाँ. है पीछे का सही, आगे क्या है?
तूने मारी एंट्री और दिल में बजी घंटी यार. Oh my god, I love this.
चलो, first is done. Okay. Fans, you guys can also help.
Okay,
Neeti will show you.
घड़ी. घड़ी क्या बीच में? एरो, घड़ी, क्वेश्चन मार्क. रुक. अरे बाबा रुक. नहीं. हर घड़ी बदल रही है. या गाइस, मतलब मेरे को कैसे पता चलेगा क्या जवाब है? मैं
बोलूंगी ना.
प्लीज बताइए इसका मतलब क्या है, कौन सा गाना है ये. हमें तो बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आ रहा.
किसी ने अभी तक जवाब नहीं दिया है.
उत्तरी यार, ऐसा भी मत करो.
चलो नीति की हेल्प करो फटाफट. इट्स अ इजी सॉन्ग, रीसेंट मूवी का.
मूवी का नाम तो बता दो. अच्छा, एक्टर तो बता दो.
वरुण धवन. चलो, समारा ने आपको हेल्प की है. चलती है क्या 9 से 12. 9 and 12.
Oh shit, this is my favorite. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Thank you, Samira.
Yes.
कहाँ थी तुम बहना इतनी टाइम? ऐसी चीजों में से चलती है क्या 9 से 12? ये तो पिज्जा है कि
क्या
है कि पेंट का वो?
That is a paint.
So we have arrow up and then we have paint.
Arrow down.
Arrow
then
down.
paint. Then one glass.
A wine glass और ये क्या? किसी डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए. मैं पेंट. मैं
It's a Hindi song.
मैं रंग शरबतों का, मैं मीठे का. Oh my god.
You are leading वैसे भी. टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. 2 आपने सही जवाब दिए.
मैं रंग. Oh wow. सुन रहा है तो.
अरे यार, इतना इजी था कि गेस कर लिया.
सुन रहा है. ये कैसे वो? Very intelligent now. I was done all.
Me.
अभी ये क्या है guys? सूरज. ये क्या है? रात. चांद शिपा बादल में.
And fire.
आग में है. सूरज हुआ मध्यम. चांद जलने लगा.
इतनी इंटेलिजेंट है नीति, हमारे सारे फेल हो रहे हैं.
Oh my god.
सी आपके फैंस भी हेल्प करे. अजय कुमार ने बोला सूरज हुआ मतलब.
ये गाइस, व्हाट इज दिस? क्या है ये?
गाना है.
इसको क्या बोलेंगे? जोर से गाना. ये स्पीकर नहीं, और दोनों लड़के साथ में. ये रीसेंट है कि ये
नहीं पुराना है.
ओह शिट.
एक्टर बताओ. एक बता सकते
हाँ,
चलो.
बताओ, एक बता दो.
जॉन अब्राहम.
Desi, make some noise to the Desi boy. Make some noise to the Desi boy. English shit. Okay. So cute.
अच्छा, दो और.
You could have said Akshay Kumar ना. I would have thought
अच्छा,
about it.
okay.
हाँ.
मुझे लगा अक्षय में
4 बज गए हैं. 5 अभी
No.
बाकी है. नहीं. ये तो क्या है? 4 बॉटल वोडका. ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये काम मेरा, ये बियर है.
अरे एक ही बात है, बोतल है ना बस.
4 बॉटल वोडका. काम मेरा रोज का.
ये लास्ट है तो सबसे इजी है मतलब. रॉन्ग.
अंधी और अंधा. मैं तेरे काबिल हूँ. गोरे गोरे मुक्करे पे काला काला चश्मा.
No.
Dude, what is this? What, guys? I sang, I think, most of the songs. What is it?
नहीं. ओके, प्रीतेश ने आपकी हेल्प की है. काला चश्मा जजदा
मेरे को ना कोई मार डालो यार. मैं
देखो काला चश्मा और उस पे पहना हुआ भी इतना इजी था.
Damn.
But you have won this round, so
I know I am so
really
good.
clap for
But
you.
this game I really like. Very nice.
अरे बाप रे, आपके फैंस अगर सब एकदम सीरियस हो गए गेम को लेके, सब अभी भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं.
Wow, thank you guys, but I won and I'm done. We are done, yes.
यस यस वी आर डन. और क्वेश्चंस ले लेते हैं. सबको नाराज नहीं करेंगे. So Ishu is asking what is your favorite food cuisine?
Indian. I love Indian food. Ow! I'm like, I'm so hurt everywhere. Ow! What do I do to myself? Wow.
Okay, so which subject did you selected? When fan wants to know Bhumi.
Sociology, but I have studied psychology or psycho.
Okay, Amir is requesting if you can sing one song.
भाई क्यों बेइज्जती करा रहे हो मेरी? मतलब वो पता है ना मेरी आवाज इतनी है. There's one friend who is a singer of mine and he'll always say, well, please ना कुछ भी कर लेके तू गाना मत गा. And I am somebody ना कोई भी कॉल करता हूँ. Damn man.
Okay, Anu wants to know the secret of your beautiful skin.
Beautiful skin. बहुत सारा पानी पीते रहो पूरे दिन. और जब पिंपल आए तो फिर बर्फ लगा लो, दही लगा लो.
Okay, so Balachandra wants to know that how was your experience working in South movies?
Good.
Will you visit Kolkata? Ajay wants to know.
I am coming to Kolkata. I have family wedding. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Which is your favorite social media app? Shania wants to know.
WhatsApp.
You don't like Insta?
I don't know. Forget everything. It's Snapchat, bro.
Okay.
Snapchat is my thing.
Okay, so Anand wants to know what is the most difficult time. When was the most difficult time in the industry for you?
It's always
Starting?
a difficult time for me. Always. Because होता है यार, you struggle. I think for me, मैं अपनी बात करूँ, but my struggle never gets over. I'm always working hard to get to a point, and you come across so many people every day.
True.
कुछ ना कुछ तो होता रहता है. तो yeah, the struggle never gets over, and it still remains a lot of struggle. Yeah.
Okay, so your fan page is asking that what are your New Year plans?
I don't have any New Year plans because I'm going for a holiday with my family, and then suddenly 30th को सब वापस अपने घर, और मैं बोल रही हूँ कि अभी न्यू ईयर के लिए क्या करेंगे.
तो आप बना लो एक.
हाँ, मेरे को रिनी के साथ बनाना पड़ेगा, my best friend. So let's see what we do.
Okay, Ashmit wants to know who's your favorite actor in television.
Favorite actor
in television?
दुविधा में डाल दो, मेरे को नहीं पता यार. Maybe राम कपूर. Yeah, because I work with him. Yeah.
So your fan, her name is Sonal, so she's asking that what will be one quality of your dream man according to you?
I want him to be very intelligent because मुझे intelligent लोगों से बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि if I can learn something from them. So intelligent, I need an intelligent guy.
So Amir is saying that your voice is very beautiful.
Thanks. Thanks. Yeah.
Okay, so Anand wants to know your most worst fashion trend. Like you have come across any worst fashion trend?
I have come across any
Yes.
worst fashion trend, like with my clothes.
No, with others. Have you witnessed anything that was very bad or any
Yeah, but
any
I would
fashion
not say
trend?
who's. But yeah, I've seen and I'm like, okay.
So you can describe the dress or anything or no?
She's a very big actor though.
Hmm?
But once, pata nahi what she was wearing, it was too funny. I think it was वो net का कुछ बना था यार, not nice. The whole dress like.
So Muskan wants to know that who's close you are close to, mom or dad?
Mama. जब मेरा phone ऐसे चोरी हो गया तो I was so scared. I had to go and tell my uncle because only my like laptop was working and I had no number, nothing. And I'm like, Anushka, please block my phone. Something's gonna happen. And then he's like, I need to tell your mother. He's like, oh, wait there. Well, Mama didn't scold me. She's like,
okay. So your fan page, Adorable Neeti, they are saying how you feel when your fans dedicate their achievements to you.
I feel really blessed. Though I've always said, whatever I am is all because of you guys. So even if you guys, I get messages jo hote na ki I'm not feeling well today. I don't know. I feel like talking to you. So just that connecting with me and thinking ki ye bandi se main at least wo reply bhi kuch karegi nahi. Lekin let me just share my feelings or whatever. And it's very sweet of them to do that. And I don't know why do they think ki I can sort things out. It's very sweet. And itne umeede se, they'll write things to me and I'm like, hi yaar, so cute, so sweet. Yeah.
Okay, so Sakshi Reddy wants to know if you're watching Big Boss. So how was this week's luxury budget task? Did you like it?
मैंने देखा, आज ही देखा मैंने. क्या कर रहे यार ये लोग? मतलब एक के ऊपर आप चिली डालो तो ठीक है, लेकिन कोई और कुछ डाले तो my god, it's too much. And now let's see कि काल को ट्रिमी कौन जाने वाला है.
Yes. So Trishala wants to know your best funny moments in school life. Anyone you can share.
I never had a nice school life. That's why I got too bullied, like very bullied.
Oh.
Yeah. So.
A twisted school life.
One reason why I think I came to Bombay. Yeah.
Okay, so Tanisha wants to know what do you want to make your life successful?
What do I want to make my life
successful?
ये कैसा?
मतलब आपको क्या चाहिए आपकी लाइफ में कि वो एकदम सक्सेसफुल हो जाए?
मुझे बस खुश रहना है. All that I want is just to be happy always. और ऐसा एक पेड़ करो, ऐसे बोलो shake 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 money money money.
Bang on. जाते जाते दीदी ने बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया है. So finally we'll ask Neeti to say bye to all her fans. So क्या कहना चाहोगे आप?
First of all, thank you Wikimedia. You
Thank
guys,
you so much.
Indian Wikimedia. You guys called me over here to your office, and thank you so much. And to all of you कि आप लोगों ने इतने छोटे नोटिस में अपना टाइम निकाला और मेरे साथ आए थोड़े चिल किए. I hope I made you laugh. So enjoy your weekend and have lots of fun. Stay blessed, stay kind, stay beautiful. Love you all. Thank you.
So we have a special gift for you.
Oh, wow.
So this is for you from Indian Wikimedia and Florista.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much Neeti for joining. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys.